Oh, hi everyone. This is Advika's world, and I'm here to have a general conversation with all of you. So, ever since I was a kid, I've seen my mother work hard for this business, and I must say it is tremendous. What she does is tremendous. She really inspired me that I can envision about my career ever since I was a minor, and not only when I grow up. You can start your own business too when you're a kid, just like me. You won't believe this, but I actually started my YouTube channel when I was just 10 years old.
Wow.
Yes, it has been like 4 years now. Yeah, completed 4 years. And I must say it's going pretty well. And as well as that, I have been earning monthly income from YouTube. And plus, I have a side business. And for that side business, I have been selling bakery products and food items. And let's just say that's going pretty well. So what I'm trying to prove here is you can actually start your business anytime, any age, and no one can stop you from doing that. Oh, and do you remember the business that I was talking about, the side business? Yeah, that was also inspired by my mother. So, fun little story. I was attending one of her bakery courses and I just looked at the table where she was making all those brownies and cupcakes. And I was like, seems pretty easy enough, right? Just mixing dry and wet ingredients and baking them. I was like, let's just give it a shot. And I'll tell you, that was my first ever cake that I ever made. I was actually proud of myself. And that is what really inspired me, that I could start up my business at a very young age. So why can't you? What's stopping you? Also, my mother started this business as a passion and a hobby. She was really fantasized by the whole idea of the cooking industry, food industry. And now she has trained over thousands and thousands of chefs from all around the world. She has helped people start up their own businesses and small cafes and whatnot. Now we have decided to take all of our courses to the next level, and we have now developed an app where you can access all our courses anytime and anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Join now.